There's always an alternative to where we're going. There's a total of 2,400 linear feet of passage in here, but it's all condensed into one area. All right, so when we go in, we'll be probably no more than 15, 20 minutes from the entryway, but we'll be in here for a couple hours. Hold on. Don't forget your question. Let's see. There's some stalactites, stalagmites, flowstone, cave popcorn, and stuff like that in here, okay? We want to try to avoid touching that as much as possible. That's the reason for gloves, all right? We don't want your skin touching the formations. If you have to, you can touch the rock. There's going to be a couple of times where you have to touch a formation, and there's no way around it. It's pretty much for safety reasons. And one of the safety reasons is 3 points of contact at all times. That means 2 feet and a hand, 2 hands and 1 feet, a foot, a shoulder, a hand, whatever works. 3 points of contact at all times. This is the last sort of level place that you'll be. Okay, everything else is natural. There's no pathways made or anything like that. The way the cave is the way nature made this cave. Okay?
Magic.
If you come, okay, as you're walking, make sure that you keep your center of gravity low too. If you're standing up straight and tall, you can lose your balance because you're top heavy. If you keep your center of gravity low, okay, it's easier to keep your balance and not fall over. If you are near an edge that's a drop off, make sure you're one length body away from the edge. Whereas if I'm standing next to an edge, I have to be 5.5 feet away. And the reason for that is if I fall, I'm going to hit my face on the edge of the edge and not go over the edge. Okay? So if you're taller, you got to step back further. Okay? But the further away from the edge you are, the safer you're going to be. Okay? There's just a couple of spots where we have to make sure that you do that. If there's a place that we're going to climb that's going to be over your height, okay, we're climbing up something, I'll be spotting. Okay? Anybody do cope? Anybody done cope?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So you know what I mean? Spoons, forks. Okay, we use spoons and not forks. Okay, the reason for that is if you're spotting like this, you can get a better grip. If you're spotting like this, somebody falls, they'll break a finger. Okay? So we just want to be careful. You guys that have done this before, I'm going to use you to do things.
You guys behind you as well. So we're not around.
Got it.
Right.
Right here. Okay, gotcha. I won't be able to see you anyway because all I see are headlamps. Okay, we're going to be taking pictures. Okay, videos, pictures. It documents this because when you go back to school and you say you went caving, they think that you went to Crystal Cave. You know, with a guy with a flashlight and there's lights, colored lights showing. No, we're not doing that. This is natural. Okay, your light is what's on your helmet. Okay, and the safety is what's in your mind. Okay, so we're going to be taking pictures and documenting that. You know, when you're crawling through a tight space and you get to the other side of the space and you're coming out and we snap your picture, that's what you're going to look like on Facebook for eternity. It looks like you're constipated. So try to smile.
As much as possible.
As much as possible. It hurts. Okay? Just so, at least pretend to have fun. Which brings up another point. If there's something that you really don't want to do, I'm going to challenge you to do some crazy stuff. But if there's something you really, 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 really don't want to do, just let me know. We'll work around it. We'll do what we can and work around it.
I can't feel my toes.
Okay, leave no trace in here. What is outside does not come inside, and what is inside does not go outside. Okay? We don't have to worry about fires or any of that stuff, but we're not dropping anything in here. We want to keep the noise level down to a minimum.
Okay.
Okay, because it disturbs any wildlife that may be in here. I think last time I was in here, there were a couple of bats hibernating. So we don't want to disturb them. If you see a bat, you can point it out to everybody else, but don't shine your light up onto it. Don't get underneath it, because your body heat will start warming them up. And keep your voice down low so that we don't wake them up. Because if they wake up and there's no bugs flying around, they have nothing to eat, and they would starve, and they would die, and we don't want that to happen. So we want to make sure that they stay safe and stay in their hibernation state.
Time to start another pandemic.
I have a question.
Yeah,
So how deep are we gonna go?
not that deep. Actually, this is going in the side of a hill. So we're basically just going in level. We'll be climbing up a little bit, and maybe climbing down a little bit. But we're basically going to be staying pretty much the same level inside the hill. We won't be going down, 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 down.
And how deep can you actually go in this like cave?
Not that deep. It's not a deep cave. It's just that. It's just inside of a hill. Okay? Maybe 50 feet, if that at all. Okay?
Alright.
Right, here we go. One of the things that I do, we start off with an introductory video. Okay, we have that set up, and that's set up. We're going the right way. And what I'm going to do, for those you guys remember, I'm going to go around and you guys are going to introduce yourself. Okay? It's going to be something like, "Hi, I'm Alan. I'm 12 years old. I've never been in a cave before, and I'm terrified." Okay? So what you're going to do is just say your name, your age if you want, and any caving experience that you have. If you haven't had any caving experience, just say, "My first time in the cave." You know, it's just that simple. And this is going to go in the beginning of the video. When it takes me weeks to get these things done because I'm so far behind in videos. It'll get posted up on YouTube, and this will be something that your troop can use, and you guys can download it and have at it, whatever you want with it. And any of the stills will wind up on Facebook on our page so that you guys, same thing, you can download it. Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
I'll give that to you when we're done. Okay. Okay. So. Yeah.
I'm subscribed.
You saw her? Thank you.
Shout him out.
Yo, I'm
It's
subscribed.
one of both of you.
I'll subscribe.
Okay, so this is Troop 855 rather, from, one person.
Severna Park, Maryland.
Severna Park, Maryland. Severna Park, Maryland. All right, and we'll do that, and I'm gonna start over here. I'm gonna go around to each one. Oh, turn your headlamp off, otherwise all I see is glare.
All the experienced cavers on this side.
There, got you. That's not right.
It's almost squished out the middle.
It is, that's pretty funny.
With a couple of
Okay.
All right, we got that. We got this. And we're gonna. Okay. Turn this off. I can. Here we go. Hi, I'm Alan. This is YOUCave. Today we're taking Troop 855 underground. They're from Severna, Maryland.
Severna Park.
Severna Park.
Severna with a V.
Zaverno with a V. I missed that. All right, and I'm going to introduce you to them right now. Here we go.
Oh, hi, I'm Liam. I've been caving once before.
Once before. All right, now it's here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oliver has been catered once before here.
Once before here. All right.
Hi, I'm Max. I've also been caving once before here.
Hi, I'm Julian. I've been caving here before.
All right.
I'm Ethan. I've been caving here once before.
I'm Eric. I've been to Wind Cave before.
Okay, cool.
Hi, I'm Jack. I've been to Wind Cave before.
What, do you know which one?
Yeah.
Okay.
My name's Joey. I'm 12 years old, and this is I've been to this cave before.
Okay.
I'm Jason. This is my first time caving.
All right.
I'm Noah. This is my second time in this cave, and I've been to some other caves around the area.
Cool. Very cool.
I'm Caden. This is my second time caving in this cave.
Hi, my name's Nick. This is my first time in this cave.
All right.
Hi, my name's Gabriel. This is my second time here.
Second time. All right.
Hi, I'm Tommy. This is my second time in this cave.
We get in the back here.
Hi, I'm Griffin. This is my first time caving.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Josh. I'm 11 years old, and it's my first time caving ever.
Oh.
Hi, my name is Caleb, and I've caved one other time before.
Do you know where?
No.
Okay.
Hey, my name is Ashton. I'm on a mission to touch a bat and start another pandemic. I'm not. Be quiet. Lost the camera, man.
What are you
All
doing?
right.
Well, I had to tell the truth.
The video.
Be quiet. It didn't ruin the video.
You know, you got it published on YouTube, right?
If you touch a bat, then this will record it. Yeah. Oh yeah, then it's gonna prove I did start the pandemic.
This is gonna get
That video it also proves. Am I gonna get arrested for that?
Oh, yeah.
Am I gonna get arrested for starting the pandemic?
Just post. This is proved by the edit.
I would.
Oh, introduce.
I don't know his name.
That's Blunted.
Are you leading?
Hey, Blunted. He goes by
Yo, it's Crusader. Okay, how about Kratos?
It's Kurtsune Blunted.
It's Kratos. Oh, it's a caterpillar. But those things are dangerous. Well, who said I could not use? Who said I could have a poison with the pandemic? You know?
I have the background.
Boom! It's a poisonous caterpillar.
Fingers went numb.
You want both on?
It is a little cold.
There we go. There we go. Okay.
Yo, bro, mine still filming?
It's the
called Ellen.
Okay. But that thing is poisonous. Who said I can't add a little
guys,
poison
documentary
to the
time.
pandemic?
Documentary time. Documentary on this caterpillar.
Guys, stay with your buddies, okay? Keep your
buddy,
voices down. If you want to switch buddies, make sure it's mutual, okay? Whoever you're switching with.
Make sure everyone knows.
Yeah, I'm Michael Jackson, guys.
Michael Jackson. Yo, what's my initial? Do I have an initial? Dang.
Is mine light on?
Michael Jackson's crazy though, not gonna lie.
It's nice knowing you guys. Because they're gonna be
Time to breathe in more toxic fumes and touch a bat to get another pandemic.
I love that.
No.
I like that.
I like that.
This is creepy.
There's a star
Mother Nature
man
needs ears.
waiting in the sky. He likes to come in and say, but he thinks he blew our mind. There's a star man.
Chicken stars.
Roll stars. Dang, there's like a load of dead spiders there.
Oh, there's a regular spider. Right there.
Dang, bro, why do these look something out of an untextured video game?
And no, but really.
Yeah, it does kind of look like untextured video games.
Snow White down here.
I'm putting mine on.
Feels like I can just take this off and put it on a cake as whipped cream. It looks like this is where whipped cream is made out of.
You know what? You say whipped cream? Yes, it looks like whipped cream.
Are you British?
Are you British?
Whipped cream, I meant. Hi, camera. Let me look at that. Oh, flashlights.
Oh, yeah, this is how they're nuts down here.
I got a picture. That's a dead spider. Where? Right there.
Yep.
Jeez, bro, that's so cool. I gotta take pictures. I got something.
Oh, spider!
Where?
Guys, keep it down.
Chicken stars.
Guys, quiet. We're disturbing all the spiders. No, it's not. Bro, chill. They're not even gonna hurt you. Unless you will hurt them. They're not freaks, bro. They help nature. Bro, what? You wish the spiders disappeared? Bro, half the food chain would actually collapse if one. There's another place. There's one up there. There's one up there. Yo,
Chicken stars.
Spider up there, spider up there.
Jeez, bro. I've only seen.
Look at it. There's a spider there, spider there, spider there, and
Bro, chill.
Yo, there's so many spiders in here, bro.
Okay, guys, we're going cave diving, guys.
You can start a pandemic, bro.
Why are we not doing anything?
Watch out, there's a spider right there.
Yo, another pandemic, but with scooters. Scooter man! Or it's like, oh, you get like a light and you
Tommy.
Yo, you gotta get a video of that spider up there.
because we're waiting for they're setting up the camera.
We're waiting for what?
They're setting up a camera for their YouTube channel.
They done yet? Oh yeah, we have to crawl. We got an army crawl now.
Oh, we're moving. You get to crawl with the two.
Yeah, we gotta crawl, guys.
That's the first time I've ever been a crawl. I just have those like walk.
I have an iPhone in my hand.
I like walk. It's like very small. The rock is smooth. I definitely trust this.
Yeah, you should.
It looks so different.
Watch out, guys. Rocks is slippery.
How are we so
Yeah, you.
Hey, that's my foot, bro.
buddy. Yeah, go through that way.
Guys, watch out, rocks.
Trust myself. You go fast.
Don't worry. As the cameraman here, I'm doing perfectly fine. Cameraman never dies.
Cameraman.
Unless I get kicked in the face by Joey here.
Alright.
Yo, YouTube, what's up? My video.
Watch your head.
I'm the cameraman. I'm perfectly fine. The
All right.
cameraman always lives. Now, let's